Boracay na kami, guys. Welcome to Eat Right. Eat Right Boracay. Hello, enjoy our trip. Good afternoon, dito na tayo sa Bora. Dumating tayo ng alas 11, pero nag-check-in tayo ng alas 2. Napaaga tayo kaya kumain na muna tayo ng brunch. At ngayon, alas 2 na. May activity kami, magpaparasailing kami ni Mrs. At banana boating kami ng aming buong pamilya. Ayan sila. Hello! Ayan. And then, mag-helmet kami. Helmet diving. Ano ba ito? Parang gano'n? Helmet diving. Na-tsempuan ng lumot. Oh no! Ay, dito tayo.
Sakay na. Sakay na.
Sila muna. Happy birthday to you.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. And that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said to me, I some time. I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of
Oh my goodness. Tapos po siya, guys. Hindi na makatingin.
Straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know.
Hello, Boracay! Kapit na kapit.
Ligong-ligo na naman.
Ayan na. There.
May spalding na, no? Dito.
Doon tayo. Doon na ito doon.
Under the sea, under the sea, darling is wetter, down where it's wetter, take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, and out in the sun they slave away, while we devoting full time to floating under the sea. Ole, 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 ole. as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. They sad cause they in a bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They're in for a worse of fate. One day when the basket's hungry, the fish don't be on the plate.
Hi guys, welcome to Boracay. We did helmet diving and it was so cool, you know?
Purple, that's cool.
Be careful, be careful.
Hey. Андрух не удержал бы. Да-да-да. А вы говорите, слабый пол. Очень говорят, а? Да ну нахуй. Она горит. Реально. О май год.